Welcome back to Natural Health Secrets, where we explore how nature can provide the answers to our health problems. Today, we're tackling an issue that affects many people dealing with kidney concerns: proteinuria, the presence of excess protein in your urine. If you've been told you have proteinuria, it's a sign that your kidneys might not be functioning at their best. But don't worry, there's hope. In this video, we're going to dive into some of the most powerful superfoods that can turbocharge your kidney recovery and help stop proteinuria fast. These superfoods aren't just great for your kidneys. They're packed with nutrients that can boost your overall health. So if you're ready to learn how to support your kidney health naturally, make sure to watch until the end. And before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more health tips and natural remedies from Natural Health Secrets. Understanding proteinuria, why it's a red flag for kidney health. Before we get into the specific superfoods, let's briefly talk about what proteinuria is and why it's important to take action. Proteinuria means that there is too much protein in your urine, which typically suggests your kidneys aren't filtering waste and fluids properly. Normally, your kidneys should retain protein in your blood, but when they're damaged or overworked, proteins like albumin can leak into the urine. Proteinuria is often an early warning sign of kidney disease. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDDK, proteinuria is frequently caused by conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or autoimmune diseases like lupus. Left unchecked, this condition can progress and lead to more serious kidney damage. However, the right diet can make a significant difference. Certain foods have been scientifically shown to reduce proteinuria and support kidney healing. These superfoods are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients that help reduce the stress on your kidneys and improve their function. Now let's dive into these top superfoods that can help stop proteinuria in its tracks and get your kidneys back on the path to recovery. Top superfoods to stop proteinuria and heal your kidneys. 1. Blueberries, a powerful antioxidant punch. Blueberries are one of the best superfoods for kidney health because they are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from oxidative damage. They are also low in potassium, which is important for people with kidney problems. A study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that the antioxidants in blueberries can help improve kidney function and reduce protein leakage in the urine. These little berries support overall kidney health by neutralizing free radicals that can damage your kidney cells. How to use blueberries. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a kidney-friendly breakfast or snack. 2. Cranberries. Prevent infections and protect your kidneys. Cranberries are widely known for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can aggravate kidney problems if left untreated. But cranberries also help protect your kidneys by reducing inflammation and preventing bacterial buildup that can damage kidney tissue. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract in kidneys. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cranberries help lower the risk of infections, which can worsen proteinuria. How to use cranberries. Drink unsweetened cranberry juice or add dried cranberries with no added sugar to salads, cereals, or snacks. 3. Apples, a low-potassium, high-fiber solution. Apples are a fantastic choice for kidney health because they are low in potassium and high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps manage cholesterol and blood sugar levels, two major factors that influence kidney function. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that apples can help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, which may contribute to reducing proteinuria. Their high-fiber content also helps the body eliminate waste more effectively, taking pressure off the kidneys. How to use apples. Eat them raw, blend them into smoothies, or bake them for a healthy, kidney-friendly dessert. 4. Garlic, a natural anti-inflammatory. Garlic isn't just great for flavor. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory that can reduce inflammation in your kidneys and improve overall kidney function. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve circulation, both of which are important for protecting your kidneys. Research published in Food and Chemical Toxicology highlights garlic's role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can help alleviate the symptoms of proteinuria. How to use garlic. Add fresh or roasted garlic to soups, stir-fries, and salad dressings. 5. Kale. Low in potassium, high in nutrients. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that's low in potassium, making it safe for kidney patients. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. These antioxidants work to repair damaged cells and promote kidney function. A study in the American Journal of Nephrology found that increasing your intake of magnesium-rich foods like kale can improve kidney function and reduce the progression of proteinuria. How to use kale. Add kale to smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish. 6. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon and other fatty fish like sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve circulation, allowing the kidneys to filter waste more effectively and reduce protein leakage into the urine. A study published in Kidney International found that omega-3 supplementation reduced proteinuria and improved kidney function in people with kidney disease. How to use salmon. Enjoy grilled or baked salmon at least twice a week for a boost in healthy fats that protect your kidneys. 7. Olive oil. Anti-inflammatory and heart-healthy. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys while promoting cardiovascular health. Since heart health and kidney function are closely linked, reducing inflammation with olive oil can help your kidneys work more efficiently. A study in nephrology dialysis transplantation showed that olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce proteinuria in patients with kidney disease. How to use olive oil. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads or use it as a cooking oil for low-temperature dishes. 8. Red bell peppers. Low in potassium, high in nutrients. Red bell peppers are another excellent option for those with proteinuria because they're low in potassium and packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. These nutrients help support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Dr. Melanie Honig, a kidney health researcher, emphasizes the importance of low-potassium vegetables like red bell peppers in managing kidney health. Choosing the right vegetables can help minimize kidney stress and provide essential nutrients without worsening potassium levels. How to use red bell peppers. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or eat them raw as a snack. 9. Strawberries rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Strawberries are an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet because they are low in potassium and high in antioxidants like vitamin C. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from further damage, which is crucial for stopping proteinuria. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that the antioxidants in strawberries can help reduce oxidative damage in the kidneys and improve overall kidney function. How to use strawberries. Enjoy strawberries in your morning cereal, smoothies, or as a healthy snack. 10th, pineapple. Low in potassium, anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple is a low-potassium fruit that contains bromelain, an enzyme with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote healing. Pineapple also provides vitamin C and manganese, which support immune function and tissue repair. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that bromelain helps reduce inflammation markers, which are often elevated in people with kidney conditions. How to use pineapple. Add fresh pineapple chunks to smoothies or enjoy them as a snack. Additional tips to support kidney recovery. While adding these superfoods to your diet can go a long way in stopping proteinuria and supporting kidney health, there are additional steps you can take to ensure your kidneys recover fully. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and supports kidney function. Aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, unless advised otherwise by your healthcare provider. Limit sodium. High sodium intake can increase blood pressure and worsen kidney damage. Reduce your intake of processed foods and opt for fresh ingredients whenever possible. Monitor blood sugar and blood pressure. If you have diabetes or hypertension, it's crucial to manage these conditions to prevent further kidney damage. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help improve circulation and reduce inflammation, both of which support kidney function. Thank you for watching this episode of Natural Health Secrets. If you're dealing with proteinuria or simply want to improve your kidney health, incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet can make a world of difference. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to anti-inflammatory garlic and salmon, these foods are proven to help reduce protein leakage and support your kidney's recovery process. Remember, your body responds to the care you give it. By nourishing your kidneys with the right foods and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can turbocharge your kidney recovery and stop proteinuria fast. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more tips on natural remedies and health advice. Let us know in the comments which of these superfoods you'll be adding to your diet and share your experiences with us.